What's going on? Tuesday 21st. Y'all already know the vibe. We here. We here. It's your boy DC in the building. Let's see what price got for us today. Right now it's sitting at a supply zone from a very aggressive downside move. It's been moving down for a minute now. So let's see what price has in store for us today. I am looking for the continuation to the downside of this entire move. It's looking pretty clean. It's looking pretty clean. As y'all can see, break a structure, supply, break a structure again. So we're looking for a lower high right here. So depending how this candle close, we are going to be getting an entry to keep riding it back to the downside. Today we do have news at 10. So we just gotta watch out for that. Be prepared for that. The account is still at the same break even. This is the last win we got. What's Tuesday? So Tuesday we've been undefeated. So let's see what we have today. Undefeated Tuesdays. So let's see what we get on. So we just disrespected that supply zone. Let's see if price holds. Look, this level of resistance right here. Damn. Hey, we still looking for that lower high. Hopefully we get that lower high to continue the momentum to the downside. This was a strong move to the upside. Um, it can be just a fake out for those people that were selling, but we'll see. This thing, the lines on. Price yesterday filled in the gap and just started coming back to the downside. So price did create this lower high, but we'll see because it didn't hold this level of support. That's why it's creating another lower high right here. So we'll see how it reacts to this level right here. But the more price hits the same level, the weaker it gets. Like, look at all of this right here. The more times price hit, it hit 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bunch of times, and then it broke, like right here. If price is hitting the same level consistently, it might just break it, because that level is gonna get weaker, unless it's like an area of interest, like a high area of interest. So for now, it seems like it is holding at that level. So that was a pretty strong move. That was a pretty strong move. What's good? What's good, fam? What's poppin'? Let's see what news do. I hope news don't do no BS. 5 more minutes. Let's see what Bitcoin is on. I don't even call this Ethereum no more. You know what I call this? The biggest disappointment. Like, it's crazy how disappointing this thing is. Word? That's how you comment on. Hell no. Hell no. Oh, hell no. Why would Price give us that entry right when news is about to report? That shit don't make no sense. What? And I ain't never heard of these news. Fed chairman designated Warsh testifies? Like, whose mess is this? Well, I know it's a red folder. Pending home sales. We seen that one, but who the hell is that? Warsh testifies. Like, who is that? Damn, son. No, I ain't taking this. 1 more minute for news to report. Crazy. I'm not with the risk. Or I could take it with small risk. So news ain't do nothing. That's what you telling me. Wow. I should have known. Like, whose mess is this? I should have known. If it comes back before hitting a 1-on-1, I'll take this. How many points is that? 10? I can't believe news just did that. They ain't do nothing. Unless they're waiting for him to talk. I don't know. I think it's about a dump. It looks like it's about a dump in the 1 minute. Too bad I ain't get an entry, cause, bro, what? Red folder news. It came back to give me an entry, but I don't like taking entries right when news is reporting, or right at that 5 minute candle of news report. Cause something could happen any second of that candle. But if the next candle gives me an entry, then we in there. But not on this one, for sure. Not on this one. So we got 40 more seconds. Alright, I just took my entry there.
Hey mom, now that I have an after-school job, I think I want to buy a drum kit.
Okay, rock star. Let's.
Come on, gold. We need a strong closing candle. We need a strong closing candle. Come on. This battle looking crazy. Come on, gold. Do something. Damn, gold. What are you doing, bro? There's no volume. What the hell? What is going on? Is the guy finally speaking or what? is Wash testifies. Speaking for like, this thing on nothing. Come on, let's keep it pushing. Come on. Come on. Bring it home. Come on. Come on, go. Flip that candle. Flip that candle. Alright. Come on, let's bring it home. Stop playing. Come on, go. We need this red candle close. Oh my gosh. Come on, go. Bring it home. Finish the job. Finish the job. Finish the job, bro. Let's go. Come on. Come on now. Let's finish this. You're right there. You're right there, Gold. That thing barely top TP. Oh hell no. I'm about to close. Okay, I'm closing right there. Yeah, Ghost just tap TP and did that. Yeah, nah. I'm gone. I just took that, whatever. It don't matter. I'm not gonna be greedy. It's just tap TP. Sometimes that's what you get. Or sometimes it just flushes right through. You don't always get the same price action every time. But we could have been more patient. But I just didn't like that bounce right there. What? After this whole entire consolidation, you think I'm gonna expect goals to just nah. It can just keep going. Who knows? But I'm cool with that. I ain't playing with them profits. You crazy? And this would definitely go for one or two. It can go for one or two. Let's keep watching and see. What a Tuesday, man. Sitting in this draw in this consolidation was just crucial as hell, bro. Not gonna lie. I'm not really like used to sitting in consolidation, but it happens. You feel me? So the only way that I keep myself from holding in consolidation is just remembering that my strategy works. It works more than not. So I sit in consolidation with that thought of like, nah, my strategy got my back. My strategy wouldn't let me down like that. Even if it's like um taxing to the mind, because all you seeing is just up and down in the same spot. You seen drawdown, you seen profit, you seen drawdown, you seen profit. Um yeah, it's like seeing, imagine you're seeing $100 in profit, 150, and then going back negative $50. Like obviously when the numbers increase, like in the small numbers it doesn't really seem like anything, but when the numbers increase, you're gonna you're gonna feel that. And you're gonna be like, yo, I should have just took that $1,000, that $10,000. But that's what sitting in consolidation does. But when you trust and you should just be patient, you'll be valid. Here we should close because it hit take profit, and then it's just created this long wick. Um, Giving a sign that this is my reverse. Like it didn't have that much strength from the beginning. Cause look at all this that it had to do just to drop. Um, it might not have the strength to just push right through like every other trade, every other winning trade that we had. Sometimes it might just stop at that 101 and then reverse, you know? But who knows? It might just keep going. Price action is different every time, every day. So, hey, we're content with what we got. That's what it is. We got tomorrow and we got Thursday. Yes, sir. See, it came back. It came back. Came back to that 101. So what do you do here? You close or you holding? You close or you holding? I closed about right here. Right at the closing of this candle right here. Let me see. No, I closed. Apparently, I closed at the top of the at the wick. Top of the wick. I closed about right here. $71 point. Oh. I might close pretty early. Buy 91.4. Right there. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. It's about to go to straight to that 102. Look at that. Fire. Yeah, let me show you. So almost forgot. So this is where we entered, added another contract when we started seeing price hold the 13 EMA right here. Um and we closed right here with about 215 in profit. Gross P&L was 220, but because of the I was just about to say taxes, but because of the fees and stuff, it was 215. That's the total P&L. I did go with low size because I don't really trade that type of setup. This is my second time trading that setup. It was cool. I do like that setup since let me bring this back over here. All EMAs are still aligned, and it was respecting this level of resistance along with this 5 minute level this 5 minute supply zone, and it correlated with a 15. You feel me? So it was still pretty smooth to continue the downside move. And like I told you guys, it was going to create. We were looking to create that lower high, which is where we got it at, that lower high rejection move, and yeah, we just capitalized on it, and yeah, we keep it moving. That was a really good trade. I will be taking note of this one. This is this is one of the setups I've been studying, because I used to not take these setups. This is like my second time taking it. Um, yeah, as y'all can see the outcome, it took a minute from regularly, but it was still pretty smooth. Aside from all that back and forth. And it's right there to a 1 or 2. It's a couple points away. It might hit, it might not. Who knows? But we capitalized and moving on. We got tomorrow to trade. We got Thursday, and then we got next week, and then we got the rest of the month. Yeah, good trade. This is the P&L for the day. This is what the calendar is like. We are profitable for this month, for this week. We are up on the account 243. Yeah, let's keep it going. We have a goal of 3,000, and that's where we at right now. We still need 2,700 to get there. So let's keep playing. Let's keep trading. This thing don't stop. But I'm gonna catch you on the next one. It's DC. Peace, love, and abundance to all of y'all, whoever is watching. Let's run it up, man. I'm out of here. Catch me tomorrow, same time, same everything, bro. This is the same thing every day, except Fridays. But I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.